Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be kept up to date with new additions, and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. This morning in one of my classes, one of my students started talking about a recent phone call that she had received. She said one afternoon she had just come in from work and the phone rang, and she picked it up, and there was a very official sounding voice warning her that there'd been problems with her bank account. The voice said that hackers had been trying to break into her bank account and that her account had been compromised, and so they needed to tighten the security on the account to stop money being siphoned out of it. They then asked for her PIN code and her bank details, and she was so taken in by this story that she was just about to give them the details when suddenly she thought, wait a minute, this must be a scam. A scam is an illegal plan for making money, and usually it's one that involves tricking people. Obviously, these kinds of scams prey on the elderly and the vulnerable and on people who aren't very aware of the fact that such scams exist. Maybe the less tech-savvy people out there. And obviously, lots of people fall for these scams and they get tricked or conned into giving away their bank details and then end up losing lots of money. If you have enjoyed this video, please do click the like button below, share the videos with your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear stories about scams you've heard of.